My brother, God can bless anybody. Make you no look down on anybody. As you see me so, no be by power, oh, no be by sense, oh. Nobody special pass. My sister, God can bless anybody. Make you no look down on anybody. As you see me so, no be by power, oh, no be by sense, oh. Nobody special pass. Shebi na God will bless the higher. 7 God 9 lift me higher. Nobody believe say kukere go blow me higher. You know the tire.
It is painful today to see the way people classify people. People classify people based on what they see, based on what they hear, and based on their belief. They never classify people based on the future. They never classify people based on what they think. Now, the world today, everything people think, oh, this person in his present situation, he can never amount to anything. This is what people think about people. Is this the best way to classify people, or is the wrong way? I will tell you, it is the most wrong way ever to classify somebody because of what you think. Because he does not drive a car today, because he is not in today, because he does not even have money today, does not mean he will not become a billionaire tomorrow. Because she is not having a good job today, does not mean she cannot become what she wants to be. She always dreamed to become big. Everyone dreamed to become big. But the situation around them at the present stage, that is why they are where they are. I will tell you something. I think that people you see today, that they are nothing, they will definitely become something. I am unique today, but I will become something great and bigger tomorrow. That is what everybody dreams to be. People who look down on people are people who never understand the future. People who look down on people are people who never see big about you. Now, I want to make you to understand, when people look down on you, make them to know that no matter the condition, no matter what they think about you, you will always definitely become big, because God has made you to be big. Let me give you an example. 20 years ago, the house of a rich man was the moon house. But today, the house of a rich man is now the most expensive house. And I will tell you, in 20 years to come, the house of a rich man will be more better than the one of today. And I want to give you another example. Have you seen Mercedes-Benz in 10 years ago? Have you seen the first picture of the Mercedes-Benz? But today, you can see the Mercedes-Benz is being the best among every car. Now, let me ask you a question. Have you thrown anything up and it comes down? What is that? That is gravity. Think about it. It's only God that can never change. Everything in life definitely change. What is constant in life is change. Now, I want to make you to understand. For you looking down on people, classifying people based on what they think, I will tell you, the best thing ever to do is to appreciate and love people, no matter who they are, no matter where they come from, no matter what they do, no matter their circumstances at the very moment. Oh, you said because he is not a rich guy, he can never amount to anything. Because she doesn't have a job now, she always say, I will do, God will bless me, and you don't believe in them. I tell you, looking down on people is one thing that can never bring you favor. The same person you look down on today will also become the same person you will go back to for favor. Think about this. I'm still Unique Obas from JCK TV. I love you guys. I want to say a very big thank you to the man behind the camera, Jack the director. I say a very big thank you to you. To all my fans out there, I say a very big thank you. I want you to always subscribe to my channel at JCK TV. So follow us on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook at JCK TV. And follow me on my direct Instagram handle at Lord ND Unique. I love you guys. Peace out.